Thank you for watching this video. We're going to go over real quickly the installation we did of 10 mature ready to plant bamboo here in Tampa, Florida. As you can see, it was a beautiful view. Our workday was obviously very satisfying. And so there's the house. You can see it goes up a couple stories. And even though they have some absolutely beautiful landscaping here, they need to get up a little bit higher than the existing tree line or the different palms they have, and they even have some small bamboo there, but they need to get up quite high and at different levels too. So we sell Bambusa oldahami or giant timber bamboo. You can see the first one we did there, and there's the second one and the third one, and we just kind of filled in the holes where they had that they could see the other neighbor. The neighbor is putting up, I believe, a 10 or 11,000 square foot home. So you can see there's some places in there that need to be filled in. So this is where our giant timber bamboo comes in really handy, because you can cut these at certain heights and then they'll grow out. So you can cut them at 10 feet, 20 feet, 30 feet, whatever you need to do. And you can let some of them go all the way up to the 55, 60 feet that they go. But we're going to train these here to go up certain heights as the few years go by. It takes about 3 or 4 years to get them to really where you want to be. So it's not instant, but you know, Rome wasn't built in a day. If you have any bamboo needs, please go to the website we have at bamboo-nursery.com. That's bamboo-nursery.com, or call 813-343-4463. That's 813-343-4463. And we thank you so very much for watching. We serve the Tampa, Southwest Florida area. Thank you.